The Technology Center, giving high school students the skills popular with today's employers. Are you the type of person who is curious about how things work? Do you enjoy taking things apart and reassembling them? Do you like computers? Would you enjoy a better understanding of the internet, computer servers, networks, fiber optics, or computer security? How does assisting others with their computer problems appeal to you? What would a good paying career with many benefits mean to you? Depending on your responses to these, becoming a Computer Communications Network Technician, or CCNT, might be for you.
In my program, there are 3 basic certifications that the students work for. The first one is the A+ certification. What that certification allows a student to achieve is the ability to repair a computer, troubleshoot that computer, and show a future employer that he or she does have the skills to get that computer problem solved. The second program we work on is something called Wire U. With a Wire U certification, you'll know how to build network cables, you'll know how to network those computers together using those cables, and how to properly run that network cable throughout a building or installation. The third certification is Cisco. With a Cisco certification, what the students will understand is networking in general, how computers are networked together, how the different protocols that they're called talk to each other through the computer, and how to properly wire those networks up. After completing my program, most students go on to a 2 or 4 year college. Through our program, we do offer some college courses as well, and my program gives a lot of college credit. So you can look forward to at least a year to a year and a half of college credit right up front, another 2 years of college, and you've got your degree. Some even go on to their 4 years. Some of my students also get out of the program and go right into work. A lot of places now will hire you right out of school, and then they will send you back for training on their ticket.
Businesses are looking for technicians who can design and set up computer systems. There are more and more corporations getting involved with communications and networking. They need people to troubleshoot software, to troubleshoot hardware, to fix computers, to develop data systems, voice systems, video systems, and audio systems. Students going into computer science usually have enjoyable careers that are profitable, quite profitable. They also have an enjoyable time learning at the Vanguard Technology Center.
I just like the teachers, and the staff's really nice, and it's more of a setting for college students rather than high school students. So you don't feel like you're in prison, you feel like you're at a college setting, having fun and doing what you like to do.
It's a very college-like atmosphere. There's a lot of hands-on work, and we're able to work with a lot of new technology that's just come out. My instructor, Mr. Ritchie, he's a very good instructor. He's had a lot of hands-on experience with computers, and so he knows a lot of the problems that you can run into, not only dealing with computers, but also dealing with the people that you talk to.
Basically, at the beginning of the year, we start out with the basics, the computer basics, the concepts of a computer, what a computer is, how it works, how it's put together, why all the pieces work the way they do. That's the beginning of the A+. Then we work on to troubleshooting. We figure out why the things happen the way they do, what the different errors mean, and how to predict what those errors are actually telling us and how we can fix that problem. The second thing we work on is the Wire U. We learn how to do all the wiring. We learn how to create all the wires, and that helps us out in our Cisco, which Cisco lasts all year long. We do Cisco throughout the whole year, 1 day a week. And we build on everything in the A+ and in the Wire U to help us in the Cisco part. In the computer industry, it changes so often and so fast that from almost a month-to-month standpoint now, your job role is changing. It's constantly changing, you're constantly going back to school, so anybody who wants to constantly gain knowledge would do really good in my program.
I'm hoping that this program that I'm going through is going to help me go and become like a computer engineer and work in a big business of fixing computers, maybe doing network stuff.
Students coming into the senior portion of CCNT will develop 3 primary certifications, and that's what we work for. We work for Microsoft MCP, we work for Cisco, CCNA, and we work for Fiber U. Those are the 3 primaries. Off of that, we build in other skills that the student learns, such as network security, network design, network engineering, and then system administration. Many students coming into the program don't have an idea of what they want to do after they have completed, but usually by the time they're seniors, they know that they want to do one of the trades, and there's many that we offer to students. We give them a wide variety of opportunities. Most students, though, seem to lean towards system administration, while others will lean towards network and networking. It just depends, but the main thing is that they got college education, they got a head start, and they got to sample a lot of different new technologies that are in the computer field. And it's so broad that we try to give them a little bit of each one of those technologies. We start out doing the Microsoft track and picking up the semester 3 and 4 of Cisco. Their junior year they do semester 1 and 2. Senior year, when I get them, we continue on for 3 and 4. We take what they've learned in A+ their junior year and we expand upon that, and we go into the Microsoft track for Windows 2000. We also study Windows NT. From there, after they're done with that, we move on to the fiber optics and network security. Having these skills will make them marketable no matter where they go into or whatever field they choose to go into later on. But certainly having almost a year of college under their belt by taking the program is very helpful for those who are seriously looking into a career in CIS or computer information.
Our students use the training they have acquired in the Tech Center's CCNT program to achieve gainful employment in a variety of technology areas and occupations, such as computer repair technicians, network wiring and cabling specialists, server administrators, network technicians, and more.
We learn how to make the cables and how to run the cables and how to configure everything like computers. We learn how to network, and we're also getting several different certifications, our Network Plus and our MCSE and our fiber optic.
My instructor, Floyd Collins, he's got numerous years real-world experience. He's a great teacher. He's just like one of the guys. I've learned how to run fiber optic and coaxial cabling. I learned how to set up a network server running Windows 2000. I've learned how to troubleshoot computers and network problems, and learning a little bit of wireless.
I would recommend the Tech Center because it's a good opportunity and you get college credits, you get experience in the work field that you want to go into.
Oh, I've learned a lot. Not only have I learned to terminate cable and run cable, but also to take apart a computer and put it back together again. Some of the problems you might have.